Hey guys, it's Eric Roberts at Worship the King. Thanks for watching the video. Today we're breaking down the chorus, the simple version of the chorus, but I'm going to show you some really cool tips and tricks to make it sound good, to push the bass notes, and to make this thing sound right. There's a couple little things we're going to do. If you don't have it yet, download this chord chart. It's all going to be full by the end of this video session that I'm doing, and I'm going to upload it to the video, upload it to my website today. So download it at worshiptheking.com. Click the link in the description. But let's get right to the chorus. So we are going like this. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. And nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus. Okay, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that musically right here. So simple down strums, accent on the 2 and the 4. So this is the pattern I'm using. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2. So you can kind of hear that in there. So I'm using that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a. What a beautiful name it is, and 2, beautiful name it is, and 2, 3, and 4, and E minor, D, C. You can flip every time. Name it is. Now what is that chord? What happened to that? Whoa, 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 whoa. So in this song, he uses a G/B on that. What a beautiful name it is, and nothing compares to this. So if you do that, it sounds really cool. If you do that, you push that B note up into the sound of our ears, so we go, oh, that's different. That's different. It's not just a G. Let me play it with just a G. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. It's not got any drama. This is the drama. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. Okay, so I added in some extra drama, but the point is the drama comes with the B, the G/B. So all you do for that is, here's your regular G, and in my lessons I'm usually having you leave this finger off, but for this I'm gonna have you take this finger off, put this finger on. It looks just like an E minor chord when you do this. So, but what you do is you kind of hit the B, and you let it come out. Okay, that's all you do. That's all you do. When you learn how to do selective strumming right, then everything you do has a purpose, a little purpose to hit that note, make it louder, and then keep strumming. It's not super complicated. It will make you sound super awesome, but it's not super complicated. It's just intentional. So be intentional about it. So let's play. I'll play from the beginning, and I'm going to intentionally hit that B when I get to it. And I'm just using, remember, I'm just using this simple strumming pattern. So guys, everything I'm teaching in these lessons, it's very simple. All of this stuff, it comes across to you maybe sounding, if it sounds intimidating or if it sounds like, oh, what in the world is happening? Remember that underneath all of it is foundational patterns. I teach these on worshiptheking.com in my Gold Pass. Foundational patterns to make you sound good. It makes you sound way, 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 way better than maybe you are, because you're intentionally doing some real foundational things. Join me over there, but this is how it goes. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. And nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus. And then we're going to go to the verse. So join me, download the chart, join me. I do the verse in the other video of this section. It should be either up here or down in this section. And then we're going to get to the bridge next time. But if you like the video and you have finding great value and fun and you're having fun, give a good thumbs up. Smash on the subscribe button. I said that because that's what Preston Plays says. He says, smash the subscribe button. That kid's crazy. All right, see ya.